Good day to you all. Welcome to Maths Global Learning Hub with Mr. T. In today's lesson, we are going to find the general solution of sine. Given that sine theta is equal to half, determine the general solution. I'm going to use two methods. Method 1, using the formula. And given that sine theta is equal to half. According to this formula here, we can find theta is equal to, and our theta is going to be 30 degrees. How does the formula work here? It's going to give us two general solutions. I'm going to write here GS1, theta is equal to 30 degrees plus k of 360 degrees, where k is an element of integers. In the second general solution, I'm going to get theta is equal to 180 minus 30 degrees plus k of 360. Again, k is an element of integers. And when I simplify here, I'm getting 150 degrees plus k of 360 degrees. I'm going to use method 2, in which I am using the quadrants. I'm given that sine theta is equal to 1 over 2. Step 1, I need to find the reference angle. And my reference angle is going to be 30 degrees. And then I ask myself this question here. Where is sine positive? Sine is positive in the first quadrant. So I'm going to write here, theta is equal to reference angle plus k of 360 degrees. K is an element of integers. Substituting, I'm going to get 30 degrees plus k of 360 degrees. And if you see here, we're getting the same answers using the two different methods. Sine is also positive in the second quadrant. So I'm going to write here theta is equal to 180 degrees minus the reference angle plus k of 360 degrees, where k is an element of integers. And when I substitute here, I'm getting 180 degrees minus 30 degrees plus k of 360 degrees. And my final answer is going to be 150 degrees plus k of 360 degrees. And if you look closely here, you will see that both methods are giving us the same answer. In this question here, we are given that sine theta is equal to negative half, and we are required to find the general solution. I'm also going to use two methods. Method 1, I'm going to use the formula. And according to the formula here, when it comes to sine, we are going to get two general solutions. So I'm given here sine theta is equal to negative half. Therefore, theta is equal to sine inverse of negative half. In this method here, I do not ignore the sign. So theta is equal to negative 30 degrees. Then I proceed to do my general solutions. The first one is going to be and then the second one is going to be 180 degrees minus minus 30 degrees, which was my answer that I got there, plus k of 360 degrees, where k is an element of integers. And this simplifies to, and this will be my general solutions. Moving on to method 2, I'm going to use the quadrants. So I'm given here sine theta is equal to -½ Step 1, I'm going to find the reference angle. And remember, when we find the reference angle, we ignore the sign. So theta is equal to sine inverse of ½ And here we get 30 degrees. Then in step 2, I need to check the quadrants where sine theta is negative. And you can see that sine is negative in the third quadrant. So I'm going to write here where k is an element of integers. Then I substitute. And my final answer is going to be, when I use the third quadrant. Where else is sine negative? Sine is negative in the fourth quadrant. So I'm going to write here Q4. Theta is equal to 360 minus the reference angle plus k of 360, where k is an element of integers. And I substitute. And my final answer is going to be 330 degrees plus k of 360 degrees.